Offensively, we had a really good day. I thought offensively we executed like we wanted to. Quarterbacks was throwing the ball where we needed them to throw the ball, and receivers were catching ball. You know, we had a lot of touchdowns. I thought that defensively we took a step back. This was probably the first practice where our defense didn't come out with a lot of energy. All the other practice, they came out fired up and was ready to go. And like I said, I thought this morning they took a step back.
How pleased have you been with, I guess, the offense in general's ability to pick it up? It seems like you pick up the offense, I guess, that is from the spring till now. It seems like you haven't had too many complaints about it.
I haven't. I mean, I tell you what's been very, very surprising is that we hadn't had a lot of missed assignments. You know, and that's usually you have a lot of those, and we haven't had a lot of missed assignments. And it goes to show you how much our guys was working in the summer. You know, those guys were working together, and now we come into spring ball. I mean, camp. We come into camp and it don't happen. You know, those guys understand what's going on, and they're getting the job done. Now, again, it's going back to just winning the one-on-one battles, and they're starting to do that now. You know, and guys are starting to execute a little better than what we had been early.
There's something, too, where, you know, they put the work in the summer, but I would imagine once you learn this offense, it's pretty straightforward. It's football. And, I mean, how much does that help, too, where you guys, it seemed like you kept it simple with this?
Well, I tell you what, for our offense, I mean, offensive line-wise, we really try to keep it simple. Don't ask those guys to do a lot, you know, and we try to go out and seem like we're complicated, but we're really not, you know, with a lot of movement. But it's great because it's not easy to pick up on, but I think our players really enjoy the offense, so they take pride in picking up on it. And it allows everyone to get involved, you know, everybody to get involved. You'll see times where an offensive lineman might catch a ball, you know, so those guys are excited about it, so they take pride in learning it.
What do you think?